In this guide, I will show you how to get the image or decal ID for Roblox on your mobile. So we're going to start by heading over to our mobile and launching up the official Roblox app. From the home screen, let's head down to the navigation in the bottom right and select More. Scroll slightly down and come over to Create. Then select the navigation icon in the top left hand side, come down to Creations, scroll across until you see Development Items and click this. And in this sub menu directly below, scroll across and select Images. If you have any images, they'll be displayed inside of here. And to get the ID number for these images, all you need to do is select the three horizontal dots and then press Copy Asset ID. You can also head up and head inside of the Decals tab, and we can do the exact same thing for all of our decals just by pressing the three horizontal dots and once again selecting Copy Asset ID. And it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you get an image ID for Roblox on your mobile. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.